Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and getting power ready. The Thunderbolt display needs a Mac with a Thunderbolt port or a proper adapter, so check first. Once done, position the display near an outlet and plug in the power cable. This ensures stable power and cooling. Next, take the Thunderbolt cable and connect it firmly to your Mac. You'll hear a faint click, and wait for the Mac to detect the display so the system can negotiate resolution and audio routing. Now you configure how the display behaves. Open System Settings and go to Displays so you can pick the native resolution or a scaled option that balances sharpness and readable text. Choosing the native resolution gives the best clarity. Then use Arrangement to drag screens into physical positions and move the menu bar to set the Thunderbolt display as primary if desired. Finally, make sure sound output is set to the display if you want speakers active. This centralizes video and audio through one connection. To finish, tweak brightness and pick a color profile so images and text look correct for your workspace. This prevents eye strain and color shifts. Once configured, check for Mac OS updates and any firmware updates for the display because updates can fix detection or performance issues. If the display isn't showing a signal, swap the Thunderbolt cable and try another Mac or port. And if that fails, reset PRAM/NVRAM or the SMC on your Mac. These steps clear low-level settings that often resolve handshake problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.